Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find products to sell on Shopify. First, we're gonna solve a specific problem. You can find products that fix common frustrations or check reviews or Reddit for ideas. And you can spot trends early. You can use tools like Google Trends, TikTok Creative Center, or Pinterest Trends to find out rising products, wherein you can target niche markets. You can sell to passionate communities like plant lovers, gamers, keto diet fans, and you can also use your skills or passion. You can turn your hobby or job experience into a product idea. Now, when it comes in check marketplace, you can browse Amazon bestsellers, Etsy trends, or eBay for top performing products, wherein you can offer custom products. You can use print on demand or personalized items to stand out, and you can go sustainable. Eco-friendly and ethical products are growing in demand, wherein you can test before you invest, like launch a pre-sale, run a survey or poll, start small with a sample. Now, here are the best free tools like Google Trends, Keywords Everywhere, Shopify Sidekick, and Exploding Topics. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.